basically, if you're collating hotel aggregators, thank you very much, repair costs or flight prices are already gone, but you're going down a dead end as well there.
Well, I actually like those. I advocate for all my clients to create those kinds of things because it meets it meets a different user need. I'm creating calculations. So if I want to know how much is it going to cost me to repair my car, you can't get that. Okay, the source information of the repairing cars is impossible to find on the internet because each dealer is you have to call them probably for it. But if you can take all those averages, let's say there is a data set, they take that, then they average it out based on where you live. Maybe they change it based on currency. They throw in the part prices and the amount of time it's going to take. That actually is valuable information, and that answers a user query. Or let's go in the medical space again, like how much is this procedure going to cost me? They're taking Medicare in the US, they're taking medical data, they're taking time data, they're taking hospital data. That's valuable. They're not really reskinning something that already exists. They're creating something new that meets a user need.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so the idea of repeating is something that's now disappearing quite quickly from under our feet. And the idea is you have to bring something extra to mean that it actually has value, and something that Google either can't do or wouldn't be bothered to do because it's got so many other things it needs to do.
Absolutely. Oh, and I should plug my book now. That's why I call it Product-Led SEO, because you're creating a product, right? You're creating something new that meets a user need. Thank you, Anton.
Product-Led SEO, book by Eli Schwartz.
Yes, you're creating something new. You're not just creating and I advocate against just writing content because it's in a keyword research tool. Like that's not valuable to a user. I want to know repair costs, so I'm going to throw an article with a bunch of repair costs. I actually want to know how much this specific piece of my car is going to cost me. That's a new product. And the reason it's a product is because you're not doing it for one part, like, I don't know, the gas cap. You're doing it scaled over every single part of the car. That's an actual product. That's thousands of pages that answers user queries across some things that have no search, some things have lots of search.
Yeah, no, sorry, which brings me